Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Izet Pascal. Jadi untuk Unimat ini pasaku usai Alkitab. Awanka to start. Ana good langsung mengandung.
Moving down the flanks here. It's whipped into the box.
Because I'm about. Just a peek in the sungai.
What a chance! De Gea connects.
Stop going.
Cleared forward by the goal. It's back with the ball. Forward from the keeper. Oh, he did really well there. It's with the striker. Played into the box. Good save.
Boy,
Can he get a shot in?
Nemo.
Oh, this could be the shots off. And he hits it.
Stop.
He's on the
Goal.
line for his new team.
Him did it.
It's his first goal for the club. Let's see that again.
Look at now.
Back underway, but how will this team respond? Oh, well timed. Oh, that was nice.
I'm not.
Oh, a chance now to turn defense into attack. Oh, it's a clear chance. What a
Tiger
finish.
goal. The stuff from Golden.
Many more to go. It's 2-0 now. What a well-timed tackle. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team.
Messi.
Great dribbling
Oh. Nemo from Golden.
from Titi. The defender could be in trouble here. Played into the box. Great chance here. Messi.
Messi so good.
Let's have a look at that one again. That was
You
close.
like
Not much in it there at all. With the time added on now. Oh, he did really well there. The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time.
Start Ausdauern. Geht die Sauerrolle. Sahne. Get die Luna. No. Cade.
It's the second half. Some fresh changes have been made. They're winning at the halfway stage. Can they see out the rest of the game?
Go.
He loves to run with the ball. That one has gone out of play. It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Neymar.
Nemo.
Moving down the flanks here. Played into the box. Well timed and good defending.
Tu só que te precisei.
Both sets of players have had their fair share of the ball.
Não,
Oh, he did really well there.
Wow.
What a well-timed tackle. trouble here.
No.
They're winning. They need to defend well.
Vai, Batiscal.
Alba makes the clearance. And that was close. Not mentioned in the
Sai, Barra.
sure about that one.
Yes.
See how close it was. And with the defender now. Oh, that's a rash challenge there.
Está de salve.
Lovely passing. What a chance. Tackled by Ramos. Ronaldo.
Estamos é de passar. Ronaldo. Go.
Oh, well intercepted. Well ahead now, and this should be the win.
Alda.
Not a good tackle at all.
Está.
Messi to take it.
Me.
Want to add to their lead here. Oh, this could be costly. The shot's on. He loves to go past players with the ball. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Veio de.
Now, can they make something of this? And that one swung into the ball. Ramos!
Vamos testar. Yeah,
How close that
vai
was to getting it.
testar.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
Vamos no down like Vicente. Que não anda para super.
Impossible. Shoots.
Gol
Goal.
de
He's off to the right.
É
A great
bom.
goal. Well, let's take another look at that. And we're entering stoppage time now. It's 3-0 now. Oh, determined challenge there. That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football
Gusta.
today. No doubt in my mind with that decision. This play has been
Nossa,
outstanding.
vai passa canta Sazap que te salva.